The specific situation we had was an outstanding debt from a company who owed us £37,000.
We were owed quite a large amount of money, in excess of £100,000.
I had a company owed me £6,500. I tried everything I could to get the money out of them.
Before I contacted Insolvency Law, I was very nervous, apprehensive. I'd never been in this situation before, and of course, you know, with the debt mounting up, I didn't really know where to turn.
It was the desperation of the situation, because it was either us or them, you know, going down, because the amount of money we were owed is not the kind of money you carry in your pocket.
We were not only nervous, we were anxious, we were irate, we were, I think, every emotion you could feel.
The first conversation with Insolvency Law was, I believe I spoke to a receptionist who then put me through to Peter Murray, who was very understanding, very helpful, and reassured me that he would be able to help me.
I got straight through to someone. They referred me straight to Peter himself, and from the moment I started dealing with him, he was very clear, he was very calming. He's obviously come across a lot of these situations over the years, and you just felt at ease with everything he was saying. It was good advice.
The thing I liked about him most was his attitude, his aggressive attitude, really. He knew his stuff, he was there to fight your side, fight your case, and straight away I felt comfortable in him dealing with the case.
I was really put at ease. I felt by the end of the process I actually knew quite a bit about the law, even though obviously I don't. And it was, you know, very thorough and put into layman's terms so I can actually understand it.
We managed to recover the petition debt of £98,000.
Once I spoke to Peter, things moved very quickly. Within the same day, the application was done and it was filed. That was on a Friday, and by Saturday, the tenant had paid part of the money already once they had received it. So things moved very quickly, and the director was very impressed.
Once I'd contacted Insolvency Law and been assured that the funds would be retrieved, my mind was put at rest, my manager's mind was put at rest, and so it took a lot of stress off the day-to-day running of the other businesses that we had to attend to each day.
Peter is now my go-to guy, you know, when it comes to any debt that is very sticky and is a chunky amount. We deal with customers, you know, with the confidence that, you know, we have Peter in the background.
Insolvency Law have helped me to carry on running my business. I think the service I've received has been astounding, and I wouldn't hesitate to recommend them or use them again in the future, should I ever need to.
Anyone that's any difficulty with wanting to wind a debtor up or protect themselves from a winding up order, Insolvency Law is your company.
Don't sit on the fence and get splinters. Get in touch with Insolvency Law, because they'll deal with it immediately and they'll deal with it efficiently and practically.